What if I told you that you could erase mistakes, change outfits, replace text, or fix product errors in any image without Photoshop, without complex tools, and without ruining the original photo? No layers, no stress. Just paint, type, and done. This is Inpaint inside Higgsfield AI. And once you see this, you won't edit images the same way again. For the longest time, image editing has been frustrating. You take the perfect photo, but there's a typo, a wrong logo, a bad background detail, an outfit that doesn't fit the vibe, and suddenly, that perfect image becomes a problem. Before now, fixing that meant opening heavy software, dealing with layers and masks, or hiring a designer just to change one small thing. But AI has completely flipped the script. Today, image editing isn't about rebuilding images anymore. It's about surgically changing only what you want, while the rest of the image stays untouched. And that's exactly what Inpaint in Higgsfield AI does. Think of it like this. Instead of destroying your image to fix a mistake, you simply paint over the problem, tell AI what should be there, and it replaces it perfectly, blending naturally like it was always there. No visible edits. No broken pixels. No AI-looking results. Let me show you how this actually works, step by step. So, here's the magic part. Inpaint lets you edit specific parts of an image only, not the entire image. You literally select the area you want to change. Describe what you want instead, and Higgsfield AI handles the rest. Text, objects, outfits, backgrounds, product details, all editable without touching the rest of the image. If there's an error in your image or product design, you don't panic anymore. You just fix it instantly. Alright, let's get practical. First, open your browser. Head over to Higgsfield AI. Link is in the description. Create an account if you don't have one. Then sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, scroll down. Find the Inpaint feature. Click on it. Now you'll see the Upload section. Tap Upload. Select the image you want to edit from your camera roll. And once it loads, this is where the fun starts. Let's say there's a mistake in your image. Brush over the area you want to change. Let's say an outfit. Then add your product image or simply describe what you want in the prompt. For example, change this outfit to red. Click Generate, and boom! Your image is updated, clean, realistic, and natural. Once you're satisfied, click Download. And your edited image is ready to use. No reshoots. No redesigns. Creators use this to fix content mistakes. Change branding instantly. Business owners use it to update product photos. Correct packaging errors. Designers use it to test variations. Speed up workflow. And if you create content online, this tool saves you time, money, and stress. This is one of those AI tools that quietly changes everything. Once you realize you can edit images like this, you stop accepting mistakes as final. If you want to try this yourself, the link to Higgsfield AI is in the description. Go test the Inpaint feature. and see how powerful selective AI editing really is. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and follow for more AI tools that actually make life easier. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!